Bentley has officially said farewell to its iconic 12-cylinder engine, but do not think for a second that the luxury SUV experience is losing any of its punch. The British marque has replaced the massive 6-liter W12 in the Bentayga Speed with a smaller yet powerful 4-liter twin turbocharged V8. This change marks a bold move toward meeting stricter emission standards without compromising performance or character. The new Bentayga Speed now delivers 641 horsepower, which is actually 15 horsepower more than the retired W12. However, torque takes a slight dip with 627 pound-feet compared to the previous model's 664. Still, this SUV is no slouch. While it may fall short of horsepower titans like the Aston Martin DBX-S or the Ferrari Purosangue, it can still hit 62 miles per hour from a standstill in just 3.4 seconds. That is half a second quicker than before. Shedding some weight has certainly helped. Thanks to the smaller engine, the Bentayga Speed now tips the scale at 5,435 pounds, making it 95 pounds lighter. This contributes not just to quicker acceleration, but also to improved handling. Bentley has also introduced rear-wheel steering, a feature aimed at enhancing agility for a vehicle of this size. Top speed? A very respectable 193 miles per hour. Add to that a stiffer sport mode with 15% firmer dampers and quicker steering response, and you get an SUV that feels more dynamic while still maintaining Bentley's signature comfort. Optional upgrades like carbon ceramic brakes and a titanium Akrapovic exhaust. With quad tips, add even more attitude. Aesthetic changes are subtle but tasteful. Darkened headlights and taillights, a contrasting black roof in satin or gloss, and new interior accent choices help elevate the Bentayga Speed's sporty personality. You can also opt for a darker tint in place of the standard chrome to match the overall theme. Although the W12 is gone, Bentley insists nothing essential has been lost. The soul of the Bentayga remains intact, offering a mix of high-end craftsmanship and modern performance. With other Bentley models transitioning to hybrid powertrains, the Bentayga stands as the last gasoline-only model in the lineup. Looking ahead, Bentley's next edition will skip gasoline altogether, debuting as a fully electric vehicle. It will be smaller than the Bentayga, but will carry the same level of luxury that defines the brand. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss updates on luxury performance and innovation.